On today's body cam, we're checking out, she thought ditching the evidence would save her.
11th, 2024, officers were dispatched to the Milwaukee International Airport after a woman allegedly stole a phone and wallet from another passenger's security checkpoint bin.
That passenger on video taking a wallet and the phone out of a bin. She's saying she doesn't have it at all. Asking her what she did with it. Is it this person? Yes, yes, sir. And then she don't. And it's going to end up being in that bin right there. So that's the bin. Yeah, when he gets the bag out of there, you'll see it gets a little more clear. Did she go to a restroom anywhere?
Oh, the blue thing?
Just looking at camera.
Wow.
You kind of see that in there.
I'm just going to see if this flights. This is the gentleman.
Hi. I'm Deputy Harton with the Sheriff's Office. So I just looked at some video, and it's pretty good evidence that you took this guy's cell phone. Where's the cell phone? Okay, where is it?
Because I don't have a cell phone.
Where is
my
it?
cell phone.
Where's the one that you took out of that bin that I just saw on the camera? Are you not going to answer me, or?
What you want me to say?
What do you want me to say? You're on camera. You're on camera taking a phone out of a bin, and now you say you don't have it. Where is it? Do you have an ID on you?
Yeah, I just gave him all my IDs.
Do you have this lady's ID? Anyone?
No,
She has her ID.
he took my information already.
Oh no. Okay.
She's like, what you yelling at me for?
I'm just trying to figure out where's this person's property.
Well, my thing is, why are you yelling at me? That ain't how you corrupt right. You want respect right. So if I start yelling at you, just because you have sheriff on you, you do have a sense of respect.
I'm sorry. I'm a little bit hard of hearing, and that's not really yelling. I'm just trying to make it. When someone in this situation goes through all this stuff and then they say they don't have something, it's a little frustrating, so I raise my voice up another octave, and I apologize. Where's this guy's phone?
When I walk away from the phone, I gave the phone to the whatever that lady is and whatever. I can't tell you. I don't even know this airport like that to tell you where it's at. That's why I said I can't tell you.
So who did you give the phone to?
It's in a convenience store or something like that. What I'm gonna do with his iPhone? I have an iPhone too. What I'm gonna do with his phone?
Sell it for money. That's what most people do. You know what I'm saying? That's what you could do. You could sell it for money. Even if even if it's blacklisted or whatever, they could crack it. People can crack it. And that's that.
All of that stuff is in one of them.
All right.
That thing. I don't have that man.
Click up all your stuff. You're gonna
Lock
go
her
to
up.
jail then.
Jail?
Yeah.
I'm going to jail for what?
You just said you took the phone out of the bin. You just said you took it and you gave it to somebody else.
No, it's in a convenience.
Did you not take it away out of a bin and give it to somebody in the convenience store?
Don't you supposed to do that when you find somebody's shit?
Well, okay, when you find somebody's stuff, not when you take it out of a bin and when you're going through TSA.
Well,
just pick your stuff up. Just pick your stuff up. Are you traveling with her?
Go, P. I'm finna go. Go.
Is there any other video of this? I'm sure that we can bring up some more, but
Because she said she put it in a store.
they're looking where she went. They're checking the bathroom right now.
So this shit's starting to be real fucking irritating. What the fuck I'm gonna do with that man phone?
Well, why would you take it out of the bin is what I'd like to know.
Still the wallet in the phone.
Is that it?
Or is it?
That's an excellent question. The way she's sitting there talking and bickering. What am I gonna do with it? What am I gonna do with it? Well, why would you take it in the first place, man?
Does he have his wallet or no? Where's the wallet?
I don't have the wire. I just told you.
Well,
I'm so agitated.
well, yeah, I mean, so is this guy that's missing his stuff. Where'd you find that?
42 on the ticket counter.
That's the wallet?
Yeah.
What's
It's for the phone case.
Behind, how did you find it?
42 dumped behind the counter. Video her doing it.
Oh, you're David?
I'm David.
So, is this your wallet?
That is my wallet. That's my ID.
Was there any money in here?
There was about $180.
Where was the money?
In the money clip.
All right, we're gonna go downstairs.
For the,
Do you want? Should she need to be handcuffed? Do you think, or she walk her?
I don't think she's cooperative if you found something else on the video.
So you want a handcuff? You think I'm not gonna walk with you? Like, why
Well,
would
can
I?
you walk with us?
Are you?
Well, we're asking you.
Okay, it's a
Grab your
request.
stuff. Right now, we got the phone. The phone was at a store, like probably you said. Now we're looking for this cash that this gentleman says he's missing. So right now, this is very simple. I mean, this is the difference between getting a little municipal ticket and walking out the door, or going down to jail and having to post cash bail for a misdemeanor.
If we can find it with your cooperation, the money is where I'm talking about. Then we could go an easier route. He's the lead law enforcement officer on this case, but he just told you what he's going to do. Municipal ticket. So, will you cooperating help us find that money, or yes or no?
Yeah, what am I keeping?
Okay, so if you have the money, or you know where it is, provide it to us.
Okay,
Where is it?
I have it
Where?
with my money
Okay, where's your money?
in my chest.
Okay, I'm gonna bring in a female officer, and you're gonna put it on the counter, and you know how much money you had, and you know how much money he had. Separate the two. It should equal up to the money that he's missing, without me telling you that number, and then we can go ahead right to city.
Do you have it on you right now?
Yes, can I get some water? Please.
As soon as you take the money out,
It's the female pocketbook. You know what I'm saying? If you don't actually have a pocketbook and you a lady, you just tuck it underneath a boob and call it a day. Yo, that's crazy, man. What a low life. I ain't gonna lie. What a low life scumbag, man. This is crazy. Come on, you learn this when you're kids. When you're a kid. Don't take stuff from strangers, right? And don't take stuff that don't belong to you, right? These are things that you learn from yay high.
all right. So, my question was, when you took the phone and you took the wallet. Oh, well, I haven't finished. It's a really going down complete question.
Okay.
And you took the money out of the wallet. What were you gonna do with the money? You were just gonna spend it, like play slots or something like that? Why did you want to steal from this guy?
It wasn't intentionally stealing. Like I said, when I grabbed it from the
You didn't intentionally steal it.
beginning, it was a legitimate mistake. So I put the phone
I
down.
believe that. I believe it was a legitimate mistake. Yeah.
And when I seen that, I didn't even realize I had a wallet because, like I said, I had a black
I also believe
and
that.
all that. So when I seen that, I did take the money like any other person
And I
probably would
also
have been.
believe
And it
that
wasn't.
you didn't intend to keep the phone because you told us where it was. So I believe that too. But my thing is, even when you came down here to the office and you know that we were missing money and we were looking for money.
I didn't know y'all was looking for money at all. I didn't know that's what y'all was looking for. Y'all didn't ask me about it, but I knew I didn't say anything to you about it though. That was my bad. That was wrong for that.
I get that too. But
I was out of order for that.
that's not my thing is, I'm not passing judgment, but it also shows intent to keep it. Like I'm in here in an interview with you, and you got the evidence concealed on you, and you're not giving it to us until I actually ask you for it. That shows a mindset of like I still want to keep this thing, and you know what I mean? That's kind of.
All that money is not his. Just so you know.
Right. Well, okay. Now, So
How much was yours?
yeah, how much is yours? You gotta tell me that. I thought we were gonna keep
had-
two separate piles.
No.
How much was
He had 7 20s and a 10, and the rest was mine.
720. You gonna make me do that?
He had $150.
We'll see. It was somewhere between 150 and 200. That is correct. You got the ballpark. He sold us a little bit more than that, but
That's a lie.
okay, well,
That's a lie.
well, he might not know for sure. You might not know.
No, I know for sure.
Because you counted his money?
I see it. When I
Well,
seen it looked, and I opened it.
And you also
yeah.
took it?
John, obviously, John.
Okay. All right, let's go back up.
So how much money did you have prior to this?
100, probably close to $180 some or $60 some.
160, you
I
say?
had a $100 bill.
Right.
I had some 20s. I had some ones. I had some fives.
All right.
You keep talking your money, because I don't know how much money I got.
So how much did you have? Tell me how much you had. 160?
Somewhere up in there. I don't know exactly the number.
Okay.
No, I don't.
When the number's zero.
I don't know what I got.
Exactly how much money I got.
She ultimately admitted taking the passengers' belongings and attempting to hide the evidence.
Damn, that's it. I mean, wait, what's this? Cops unknowingly leave elderly man with his EWU dropping heat. All right. Yeah, I just don't get it. Ultimately, though, she's probably right. The money breakdown or whatever, you know, the guy didn't know exactly. So, you know, he said it was around $180. And $150 is around $180. So, you know, give or take or whatever. But just taking something, just why? And then she said, oh, I don't think, you know, I didn't do it on purpose or whatever, or I didn't mean to. You looked in the bin and you took it. Like, what are you talking about? We watched you on camera.